Today, I'll walk you through how to unadd people on Snapchat fast, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to remove friends on Snapchat so you can streamline your friend list and enhance your social experience. First, let's open your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon that you probably have on your home screen. Once you've launched the app, you'll be greeted by the camera screen. This is where all the magic happens. Next, let's go to your profile. To do this, tap on your Bitmoji or the circular icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your friends and settings. It's like the control center for your Snapchat experience. Now click on My Friends. This option is usually located right below your Snap code. Here, you'll see a list of all your current friends on Snapchat. Think of it as your digital social circle. From this list, choose the friend that you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. If you have many friends, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are still the same. Once you've found the friend you want to unadd, press and hold their name. A menu will pop up and you'll want to click on Manage Friendship. This is where you can take various actions regarding your friendship. From there, you will see several options, including Edit Display Name, Report, Block, or Remove Friend. To unadd someone, simply select Remove Friend. This action will remove them from your friend list, and they won't be able to see your private stories or snaps anymore. It's like closing a door on that digital connection. And there you have it. You've successfully unadded someone on Snapchat. Remember, this process can help you keep your friend list tidy and ensure that you're only connected with those you want to interact with. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.